this, all their efforts and all their good intentions to bring change in this field, and we really need to raise the issue today. That's the need of the hour, and I think that lot is to be done. A lot of things are to be done in this field, because over the years, spanning 20 years in this sector, I found many things which are to be taken up in order to bring change, and I would like to share my experience concerning those things. I would like to tell you the way I started. When I came from Calcutta, newly married, I started living in Delhi, and I joined this institute which was just recognized by Delhi administration. Delhi administration was the affiliating body for NTT program, and the name of the course was NTT 2-year course. And we were handed over only the syllabus, not the curriculum in truest sense of the word. And nothing much was to be done, because no training was done, no training was given, and I really didn't know what to do, how to start with. And only few institutes were available in that period, Bal Bharti and Manav Bharti, as I remember. And when I approached Bal Bharti, because that was nearer to my institute, Dr. Dipti Sen was there. She was very experienced, and she told me, Sukrita, you have to do what you feel like, what you see, because there's a big challenge and we have nothing to do here, because we can't help you in this regard. We have no course material, nothing concrete, and I don't know how to help you. But in case if you have any queries, you can always come. You are most welcome. But nothing was really given to me to start with. I mean the course material and other things like books and all. Only I remember one book was available which was written by Dr. Kaul, and I had that book in my hand and nothing else. So, over the years we had to see the syllabus, the curriculum available with different schools, and worked out with that to train our teachers. And we try to give them a lot of experience in the school sector. But again, the administration, the MCD schools or the NDMC schools or the administration, still it is there in their mind. They say that we are not liable to extend training program to your teachers, to your trainees. We don't have this responsibility. I can't allot so many schools. You disturb the whole scenario, disturb the whole structure or the schedule they have. And when I told them that you are also the stakeholders, they denied it. They said, no, we don't believe in that. If SCRT keeps on giving recognition to all these so many institutes, we are not liable to extend the training program. Now what to do? I'm stuck there. And how to extend the internship program? I had real great difficulties and still having it, grappling with it, but I don't know where the solution lies. And I think that we can get together and find out something, to help these trainee teachers and do something more realistic, more viable. Because I have found, I happen to interact with some of the trainees of Holland, the Dutch trainees. They came over, and I was really thinking about their approach, and it is so realistic and so good, practical oriented, whereas we have nothing to offer. We have very rich culture, and we can teach them many things regarding our culture and all, but not regarding training, concerning training. I can explain one thing. In another platform, I also explained the same thing. They were teaching some classes, of nursery and first standard, and they were doing one thing which really struck me at that time, that how practical they were. They made a line, and they were asking the students to run, to make a race, But at the same time, they were teaching them gravity, the effect of gravity, in class 1 standard at their level. And amazing, the students, they understood it without any difficulty. How was it? They just asked them to hold the paper like this. Okay? And they told them that you have to hold it. If you leave your fingers, what happens? It falls down. And you just note it how it falls. And then they were doing it with newspaper, with pieces of newspaper. And then they said that you have to run at the fastest speed in such a way that when you leave your fingers, it will not fall. And they did it. Small children, they did it. They were running and it got stuck to their chest. And it didn't fall. Then they asked, why did it happen? They answered, effortlessly. Due to wind. And they explained them why it happens. They were all so efficient, whereas our trainees lacked in that. When a small child asks a question to his teacher, why some flowers are white, ma'am? The trainee does not know what to answer. Many of us don't know the basic science, which we should know. I feel so. It should start from the beginning. We have so many things in our policies, in our approach, in our objectives, in everything, but we don't know how to really go with it. The trainees, they don't know. And I have recently concluded a survey where we run 2-year diploma course in ET affiliated to SCRT as well as in ACC when NCT was formed in 1997, I remember. And from 1998 we started the execution of 2-year diploma course affiliated to SCRT. And again, I remember, I'm very grateful to Dr. late Girija Mia, ma'am. She conducted 2 workshops at Jamia and I learned a lot of things from her. But after that, nothing really progressed. And very few seminars were conducted or workshops were organized. And NCT is also lagging behind. NCT is not doing much, and when we approach to SCRT, they say we can't help. So many institutes, we can call all of them. We don't have funds, and so many things are there. But without the training, without the briefing of the curriculum transaction, how can one work? This is a big question. And I am really grateful to Ambedkar University and Dr. Kaul that they are doing something. They are at least creating ripples, in otherwise stagnant water. And this is something, to show to the world that we have done something. I think the first of its kind. And I'm very happy. And though much room is there, but this is at least the first step. And we are very happy. And when I interacted with Parul, she used to come to me for interviews and other things. And I used to tell her that, she used to tell me, ma'am, we are having great difficulty because no institutes are opening their doors for the survey. That is again a problem. We are scared of our, we are scared about the people who are at a high level or those who are monitoring, those who are wanting some change, because we don't want to change. This is again a problem with us. We don't want to change. We want to carry on with what we have already, and no matter how it happens, we are happy with that. And I would like to focus on 2 main things. I think, ma'am, you can take up these 2 issues. First thing is that the curriculum, which states, it is a 2-year course, which states that the first year will be devoted for nursery classes and second year for class 1 and 2, as you said very categorically that there should be seamless continuity. But this concept is not understood by our government, by the employer, because they don't understand why the NTT teachers or ECC teachers should teach in class 1 and 2. they're asking this question. They don't understand the concept behind. And our girls are not getting employment. There's no room for progress or updation, or they don't get any promotion. They remain a nursery teacher throughout. This is again the saddest part of it. A nursery teacher is a nursery teacher, whereas a lecturer becomes a senior lecturer becomes a reader becomes a professor, assistant professor and professor. So there's room for progress. Everyone wants to make progress in life. We all. Then why this wrong with entity teachers? They remain an entity teacher, teachers for lifelong. So something should be done for them. Career growth is very important, as well as salary structure also should be improved in that matter. And we have a big gap between the policy and execution. What I find that NCT has structured the curriculum and they have given us all the norms and parameters to reach to, but these norms are not practicable. These norms are not viable, because as an administrator, as well as I consider myself a teacher, a learner still, but though I am running this institute since last 20 years, I have found that the expenditure is too much and the fee package is too less that way. I forgot your name? Moni just stated that it is a very expensive course, the course she was stating about. And it is very expensive because so many materials are involved, equipments are to be bought, and so many things are to be organized, especially the teaching learning material. It costs a lot of expenditure. It causes a lot of expenditure. But the fee package is so less. Again, it is another problem is there that the students are not able to pay 60,000 in 2 years because there is no job also for them. Why should they pay 60,000 for nothing? This is again a problem. And we find that a lot of expenditure is involved, and if you want to really do it in an ideal manner, then we have to have funds. But the money we get from the fees is not sufficient to organize all these things. And NCT is saying that you should have a small classroom, you should have so many teachers, their salary should be so much. But there is no equation, they don't do their homework or something, that how much is coming and how much is going. So accordingly the policy should be made. There is no such equation done. And what we end up doing, we get this much and we spend this much. So many institutes are dying day by day, This is the reason. And NCT says that 50 class strength should be 50 ideally, but I don't think for ECC class strength should be 50. It is too big. We can't teach each and every individual teacher training that way. So this is one problem. The second problem is this, that there is no employment at all at this point. Some contractual services are available, and in public sector, the schools, they are to be made aware of the necessity, because the teachers they are employing, they say that they should be graduate and they should be B.Ed, and they will train them. In Gujarat of late, I heard one thing. One school, Riverside School or something that is in the name of progressive school, they are coming up with different philosophy, and they are saying that we don't need any trained teachers. We'll train them. So they are taking money for training and they are employing their own teachers, but they say that we are not conforming to the norm of the government. See, they can do it. They can do it in broad daylight with their, I don't want to term that, but they are doing it. And others are there to follow it. If they can get away, then others will also follow them. They'll say, okay, we are also not appointing teachers who are trained, We will do our own training and we'll take money from them and we'll train them as per our norms, as per our own objectives, and we'll do the job. So who is going to bail the cat? The MCD officials, they say that this is not our liability, we are not the stakeholders. The MHRD director says we are doing something. I don't know when will that doing thing will see the daylight. And no books are available. NCT was formed way back in '97, but nothing was done to publish books in the field of ECC. I had to seek a private publisher to publish our books. And there's something to be there in the hands of the teachers. Whose responsibility is this? And especially, I feel that in ECC sector, as far as the teaching is concerned, training is concerned, I think thematic lesson plan holds a very big importance. I think thematic concepts are to be developed. Some schools are practicing these things, like St. Thomas. I have seen them. They are doing this. They are having thematic approach. But our teachers, they lack ideas because they are not having any exposure. How to go with thematic approach? How to, go in sequence, develop the sequential concepts. What about constructivism? How to construct knowledge? A training part does not include all these kindly things. I think that those who are very experienced at doing something, they have very good intention to do something good in this field. I think we should get together, organize a very important forum so that these issues are dealt with and answered, and the problems are answered, and some good is done in this field. Thank you so much.
I think these were the